So now, here, if you are starting from scratch, if you are looking to be successful online, okay, I use this story quite often recently. I want you to imagine this. You are climbing your Mount Everest right now. Okay. Maybe you want to quit your 9 to 5. Maybe you want to save some money for your kids' future college tuition. Maybe you want to buy a house for your family. Maybe you want to buy a house for your mom, which is something I always wanted to do, but I haven't done it yet. So that's one thing on my list. So no matter what your goal is, okay, you need to use your business as a medium, okay, to generate that income, that cash flow, in order to help you to achieve that goal. And your goal, I would say, your Mount Everest, or the success of your online business is your Mount Everest. Okay, how to climb your Mount Everest as a newbie, as a beginner? You have three options. Number one, you can watch a bunch of free videos and try to do it yourself. Don't do that. Okay, you're gonna die. Please don't do that. Okay, option number two is that once you landed at the airport, you can buy a map or couple maps. Okay, you can buy a cheap map, $7 map, or you can buy a more beautiful map. And a lot of people, they will buy one map after map after map. Okay, so you can use that map, which is AKA do it yourself course. Okay, learn it and go out there, climb your Mount Everest by yourself. Okay, or you can have option number three. You can hire a good Sherpa who 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 has climbed that Mount Everest up and down hundreds or thousands of times. Okay, you can hire a good Sherpa and tie the rope together with your Sherpa and have him climb that Mount Everest together with you. So you travel to the summit and come back down safely. Okay, so you have three options. If you are a smart businessman or woman, okay, if you are a smart entrepreneur, if you value your business, your family future is the most important thing in your life, okay, then treat it as your Mount Everest. Which option would you choose? Which option will give you the best success rate? Okay, so think about it. I mean, it took me 7 months to learn this. After I heard that MBA story, okay, then I only work with mentor, okay, since 2021. That's how my business skyrocketed. And right now you can see I'm so fortunate to have the capability, okay, through my own experience, through the things I'm learning from different mentors. Right now I'm coaching my students every single week, and you can see, okay, some of them are my students, some of them are the teammates from this same coaching program. You can see Parker, okay, my students, he made first $2,000 commission. Okay, Karen, after she, I mean, feel frustrated with other programs, and after she joined this program, she made her first $4,000 commission in 30 days. Romani also is Nate and I, our students. Okay, Romani just joined the program in less than 30 days. Romani has made over $8,000 already. Okay, so pay attention to Romani. She will be getting her 10K award very, very soon. And you can see Daniel, Nate, myself, Billy, Vanessa, Jeff, they all making this 2K, 3K, 5K commissions. Okay. And you can see all these people. Okay. When you make 10K with the program, you get one of this. Okay. This is made of crystal. Okay. Fire, the flame. Okay. So you're gonna get one of this, your 10K award. If you decide, if you decide to join this coaching program, okay, with me. So you can see we have 10K club winners last month. Okay. So now, if you want fast results, you need a mentor. Okay. But if you follow the wrong person, it's the surefire way to end up feeling even more overwhelmed and ready to quit. Okay. And number two, you need to pay attention if your mentor's results can be duplicated to their students or not. Okay. And number three, okay, I didn't put it right here, is that you need to follow someone who has your best interest in place. Okay. And And sadly, I would say 90% of people, they don't have your best interest in place. Okay, it's not because they are selfish. It is because they are still growing. They still have their own business to run. Okay, so you can see a lot of people, they promise you a world just to get you signed up through them. But whenever you have questions, whenever you need that extra support, okay, whoever sign you up can know where to be found. Okay, it's not because they really try to scam you, because I mean, they are not at the stage, okay, to put your best interest us their best interest yet. Okay, there are few people can do that, but most people, very sadly, is not. Okay, because they, I mean, I can understand, because they need to grow their business. So you need to pay attention. Okay, some people, they are coach material, some people are not. Okay, I will just leave it like that. So now here are three keys I want to give to you. Okay, so three keys, these three keys made me started from having $35,000 credit card debt. My family were on food stamps. Okay, a lawsuit from American Express, couldn't sleep at night. Okay, and to become one of the rising affiliates, and also making $168,000 in just 11 less than 11 months of time, and also financial free right now. And this year 2021, I'm aiming for at least 300K to 500K. So all by these three keys. Okay, so key number one is that you need to have your daily content planning. Okay, so use these three keys regardless if you are working with me, my team, or not. Okay, use these three keys if you want to hit six figures in the shortest amount of time. Okay, so number one, you need to have your daily content planning. Okay, what I mean by this, there are so many platforms out there: TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. Okay, I'm gonna be doing Pinterest soon. Okay, not by myself, by my team member. Okay, but there are so many platforms out there: solo ads, YouTube ads, Google ads. Which one is the right one for you? Okay, well, I would say depends, because there are a lot of factors. There are some rules, okay? Like, if you cannot make 10K per month from organic free traffic, okay, if you are my student, I don't want you to spend any money on ads. Please don't, because you are not ready yet. But TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, which one is the best for you? It depends, okay? Depends on what product you are promoting. Depends on who you are as a person, okay? Which platform you have more passion, okay? So a lot of variable. But depending on all these variables, you have to have your daily content planning. Most of people, they don't even have their daily content plan. Okay, they don't even know when they wake up. They don't even know today what content they should create. Okay, and 80-90% of the beginner, their vision, okay, never go beyond today. They don't even have the weekly plan, monthly plan that they can follow and track to see the performance, to figure out what content engage with my audience. Okay, what content I tried but it didn't work, maybe I should try more, maybe I should switch to different content style. So there are so many different things, but most of people, okay, their vision, they don't have plan beyond today. Okay, which is not efficient. Okay, they say should be learning from people who haven't even made 100K online themselves. Yes, I agree. Yes. Key number two, besides content planning, okay, if you focus on one platform first, whether you want to do YouTube, whether you want to do Facebook, whether you want to do TikTok. Okay, I mean, each platform, they have their pros and cons. It depends on who you are as a person, and also what products that you are promoting. Okay, and so you pick one traffic source, you master that traffic source first. Okay, before you expand to other platforms. Okay, so you can master the content, your content strategy on that platform, one platform first. That would give you the faster results. Okay, comparing to if you are a jack of all trades, jump on different platforms at the same time, especially if you are a beginner. Okay, and key number two, okay, key number two is your DM skills and how to close sales over the phone. Okay, over the phone, which is, I would say, 60 to 75% of your success. Okay, you can be very lousy like myself with other stuff. Like, I'm very lousy in designing funnel. Okay, I don't have good technical skills, and I don't know how to record my videos. I don't know how to design good graphic. Okay, so all those areas, I'm either learning myself, still learning, or I outsource it. Okay, so but one skill, okay, mm, saved me. Okay, after I finally learned it, which is the DM skills and how to close sales over the phone. Okay, so this will be 70% of the success of your entire business. I see a lot of people put a lot of attention, like I s- I spent 6 months, 1 year of time trying to figure out how to design funnel. Okay, you can be the best funnel designer in the world. It doesn't mean you're gonna be successful as a marketer. Okay, if you know what I mean. So you need to pay attention how you utilize your time into the highest income generating activity. Okay, designing funnel, yes, it's essential skills, but that's not the critical element will decide whether you're gonna fail or success with your online business. Okay, but DM skills and how to close sales over the phone will. Okay, if you don't know how to DM, if your DM skills suck, if you are not comfortable to talk to people over the phone, over the Zoom call, if you don't know how to close sales over the phone, then I would say you're gonna struggle. Okay, you're gonna struggle. Okay, it takes time to learn sales skills. Okay, it takes time. So I want you to get your focus dialed in. Okay, get your focus right. Okay, I see a lot of people, like, 3 months ago, they are asking questions about how to design and how to do an opt-in page. 3 months later, I'm still seeing them asking questions about designing funnel. Okay, you could pay $20, $30, $10, okay, on Fiverr, have somebody do that for you, save you 3 months of time that you can develop other critical skills. Okay, so you need to figure out, okay, get your focus right. So number two is DM skills and close sales over the phone, which takes time to learn. Okay, some people learn it faster, 6 months. Some people learn it slower, 2 3 years. Okay, because there is good salesperson and bad salesperson, and not everybody is a salesperson. Okay, like myself, I hate selling. I'm not a salesperson. So it took me very long time to finally learn how to talk to people over the phone. Okay, or using DM. Key number three, okay, key number three is you need to learn how to create your irresistible offer. Okay, like, your offer is so good. I know we are all promoting some other people's product, but can you offer your bonuses to make the product that you are promoting look even better in front of your customers? Okay, because they purchase through you, you're gonna give them this bonus, this bonus, this bonus, which are gonna eventually help them to use the main product that you are promoting better, if more efficient. Okay, get results faster. Okay, I mean, that's exactly how I started from zero, made my very first $1,000 day, was because my bonuses. Remember back in 2020, okay, I spent 7 months of time trying to figure everything out, record over 111 product review videos. Okay, during that 7 months of time, didn't get any results. Okay, a little bit, couple $100 here, there, 1,000, maybe 2,000 maximum. But one thing I did learn from that period, okay, if I look back although I was living under stress, not enjoyable. My life was not enjoyable. Okay, had fight with my wife almost every single day while I'm trying to build my business with no results. Okay, so that was not the bright time, okay, of my life during that time. But if I look back, one skill I did learn was how to create my bonuses, how to introduce my bonuses. So I took that skill and into the high ticket space, high ticket affiliate marketing space. Then I start getting results. But this time I'm not getting paid $10, $20 commission. I'm getting paid 500 $500 commission, $1,000 commission. Okay. Right now I'm getting paid $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 commission. Just one sale. So three keys, take away, okay, apply that into your own business, create your own daily content planning, okay, content creation plan for today, this week, this month, and have your annual goal. Okay, have your annual goal. That's key number one. Key number two, develop your DM skills. Okay, and learn how to close sales over the phone. Okay, if you want to make money online, if you are in a high ticket space, okay, then you need to learn this no matter what, because you are the only one who can close sales for your own business. Okay, so you need to put, I would say, 75% focus on learning these skills. Okay, number three is that you need to learn how to create your bonuses. If you are a complete beginner,